Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a bon puppet. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need about 1 yard of blue fleece for the main body, a 1/4 yard of white fleece for the muzzle and belly, and small pieces of red and black felt for facial features. Don't forget your sewing machine, hot glue gun, and sharp scissors for precise cuts. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's focus on the head and body. Using your pattern, carefully cut out 2 head pieces and 2 body pieces from the blue fleece. Sew the head pieces together, leaving a small opening at the bottom for stuffing. Now, attach the white fleece muzzle to the front of the head using a zigzag stitch. For the body, sew the 2 blue fleece pieces together, leaving the bottom open for later attachment to the arm. Now for the fun part, adding Bon's distinctive features. Cut out 2 large white circles for the eyes, 2 smaller black circles for the pupils, and thin black strips for the eyebrows from felt. Hot glue these pieces onto the face. Next, sew the 2 ear pieces together, turn them right side out, and attach them to the top of the head. Finally, firmly stuff the head with polyester fiber fill to give it shape. For the final steps, securely attach the stuffed head to the body opening. You can hand sew this connection for extra durability. Consider adding small details like a tiny red felt bow tie or 2 small white buttons on the belly for extra character. Double-check all your seams to ensure they are secure and neat. Congratulations! Your handmade bon puppet is now complete and ready for adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.